Oh, what's up, YouTube? It's Dean Charles Anthony II back again. I hope you missed me. I missed you too. Excuse me. As some of you know, I work in politics, so election season is finally over. So I can go back to adding some videos to this channel. So, you know, I do the unboxings. So we're going to be doing an unboxing today. I've actually had this for a little while. Just haven't had time to shoot this video, so I'm excited. This is a very unique product. I'm excited to unbox it. I'm going to do this unboxing. The next video is probably going to be a review of the Manny Ortiz softbox. Then we're going to follow up with a review of this next product that I have right here. So we're not going to take too long. So let me go ahead and show you what we are unboxing right here. I'll change the angle in a second. This is the Brandon Cole Black Dish right here. This is a very unique product, to say the least. I'm really excited to use it, to test it out, to see how it works. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, and then we'll go from there. And then we're gonna do some reviews coming up. So hope you're excited. This video probably is not gonna take too long, but we're gonna go from there. So let's start. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing real quick. So I'm gonna put this up here. You can see the box. I actually really like this box. It's a pretty dope idea. I'm so curious about this. This is one of those things that, like, to be honest with you, I don't 100% understand. I'm not gonna sit up here and pretend to understand how this softbox work, and it's just probably mostly not having an imagination of ever considering a black dish, right? You know, been using Flash for more years than not, and to use this dish in particular is kind of interesting. All right, so starting off, pulled it out. Comes with the carrying case. This is actually a pretty interesting carrying case. I haven't seen one like this before. So there's a zip around up top, and then also a zip right here. So we'll zip right here because I don't want everything to drop out. So open it up. Starting off, we got our modifier, or diffuser, excuse me, not modifier. We got a diffuser. I believe this is it. All right, cool. Diffuser. We're gonna keep going, and then it goes right out. We do probably need to open up right here. Makes it a little easier. What we have here? Got our inside plate right here. Coming in. Okay, interesting. Some screws that come with it. So it looks like, yeah, there's two edges to the plate. This seems huge for a 22-inch modifier. No, what is it? What size is this? I think he just he's coming out with a 22-inch. This is, I believe, a 44 or something like that. Let's see if it says it on the box. I'm not sure, but I believe, yeah, this is like a 44 or 32, something like that. Yeah, since I bought it. But then we have right here. This is the whole thing. It's actually pretty huge. Pretty huge. All right, so first looks, right? So one, y'all heard me complain about the Manny Ortiz one. I just like having a bonus mount just included. So we have one right here included. This is there's a lot of metal here. Okay, this base is now making me understand the price. Just even feeling these wires. Yeah, this is a very sturdy modifier. I'm excited to use it. All right, so we'll go ahead and try to open this up. Let me make sure I ain't missed no paper or anything. All right, so it's big. I think this is 44-inch. All right, so also going in, the fabric is also, this might be the best fabric I think I've ever felt on a modifier. I want to go ahead and say that feeling this is, I am very confident that I can take this anywhere. Little concerned about the plastic pieces on the edge. Sometimes with modifiers, like the rods will like extend out and they slowly kind of like break. So I'm a little concerned. This is good that it has like a hard plastic, but that seems to be, this right here, this piece seems to be the least so far secure feeling piece, which is, it's already better than what we normally get. Let me give that. But I'm curious about long-term use. All right, so let me try to open this. Wait a minute. Put it down here. Okay, gotcha. So I'm figuring it out now. This thing makes me feel like it should be owned by Batman. Yeah, definitely very, very sturdy. I'm liking this feel. It does take a second to kind of get set up, but it's sturdy, so I can deal with that. Alright, so as y'all can see, it is very black on the inside. This is kind of like it's a matte black. Right here on the inside, it's a pretty big dish. Actually, similar to the Manny Ortiz, I like how it's wide, but the depth isn't, like it's a beauty dish, right? So a beauty dish will not be as deep, and that's what I really like about this setup or this use. So I'm really excited to use it. I found with like particularly the Manny Ortiz one, I just enjoy the lighting a whole lot better because of the beauty dish look just in general. So I'm curious to see this. Y'all see it on the inside. For anyone who's new here, this is very, very uncommon. It's very, very uncommon to have a black interior for a light. Like, it just doesn't happen for a modifier. It just doesn't happen. So this is the first time I'm seeing this. I'm really curious about, like, does it make the light softer on the model or the subject, X, Y, and Z. But this is a good size. This is a good look. All right, cool. I like it. Hey, you know, well, you might not know, but I am a fan of like the black aesthetic. And so this is this right here. I'm not gonna really worry about putting this on. Excuse me, y'all. Yeah, but it looks good. It's good looking. I'll tell you that. It's a good looking modifier. That's pretty much everything. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Like I said, this wasn't gonna be a very long unboxing. Let me put this in. Sorry, y'all, I'm coughing. Put the diffuser on real quick. I'm not gonna worry about the plates. Actually, I don't use plates very often. I think I can get, for the most part, whatever image I need off the general modifier. Also, it just, I don't like put them on. Let's be honest with you. I kind of like to pop everything up, go, and worry about less. All right, so this is what it looks like with everything on. I'm gonna test it with the plates when I do test it. It'll probably be the only time I do that. But yeah, here's what we got. This is the black dish. I'm excited to use this. Probably use this. I probably gotta use it next week because I'm shooting this video. I got my review video. Then I go out the country, so y'all ain't gonna see me for probably at least another week or two. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, so I'm putting it down. Yeah, this is very. This is sturdy, y'all. Alright. Ooh, it'll take a little muscle to put this, bring this thing back down. Maybe I can do it on opposite ends. So that makes it easier. Come on now. Give y'all that true real world experience. Alright, cool. We're gonna wrap this video up. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that jazz. We'll be doing some more videos. Appreciate everyone. We definitely hit our 500 mark. We're about at 550. Oh, actually a little bit over 550 subscribers. So the New Year goal, get to 1,000. So appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great day. Talk to y'all later. This is Dean Charles II.